how do we take you from pre-algebra all the way to calculus before you're even done with your sophomore year of high school? Well, in 6th grade, which honestly, 6th grade in America is a joke in terms of the rigor. There's just not as much rigor. There's a lot of repetition from 5th grade in many schools. I never did 6th grade in Nigeria because in Nigeria, they allowed you to go from 5th grade to 7th grade if you had mastered the principles. And by God's grace, I actually scored high enough to be able to skip 6th grade. A story for another day. But this is, and a lot of my friends did the same type of thing where we just went to 7th grade and we did just fine. So 6th grade then becomes, what is the point of 6th grade? That's a great question we'll discuss later on. But let's just say we give you 6th grade for pre-algebra, okay? No problem. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, and proportions. Let's get that done in 6th grade. Perfect. 7th grade, algebra 1. 8th grade, algebra 2. But pause. Algebra 1 and 2 are actually so similar that if you were to start in August and just work your way till the next August, you actually complete algebra 1 and 2. There's no reason to actually do algebra 2 as a standalone. You complete them together. That's how we do it in counting to calculus. 8th grade, geometry. But here's the thing. Geometry is actually not... A year is too long for geometry because there's a lot of repetition from like coordinate geometry, from algebra. So why don't you add some trigonometry in there? If you do trigonometry and some review over the summer, you're pretty much good to go to get your calculus going. Now, if you want to take your time, no problem. We could get you into calculus in 10th grade. But let's say you're hardworking. We'll get you into Calc 1 over here. We'll get into Calc 2 over here. We'll get you some... let's lay the groundwork for some Calc 3. Oh, actually, let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Let's give you some statistics here. Okay, no problem. We'll give you some discrete math. And then Calculus 3. Differential equations and linear algebra. This is counting to calculus at a sort of accelerated pace, where we're basically taking it from pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry and trig, which covers the pre-calc concepts, calculus 1, which is honestly too long, but let's just give you time to breathe. You're just, and then calculus 2 and statistics, discrete math and calc 3, differential equations and linear algebra. 3 college credits, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Basically, from here to the end, that's 24 math credits. So we're trying to get you 24 math credits. You can actually technically get algebra 2 credit, but let's forget that. Get you 24 math credits. And guess what? While you're learning calculus, learn physics, learn chemistry. We're getting you over 30 college credits in the Counting to Calculus framework. The Counting to Calculus framework is an initiative connected to STEM excellence. STEM excellence is the vision. Every child around the world with the highest level of math and science education, not bound by their zip code, not bound by where they are, everybody can learn math and calculus. I want 1 billion people doing calculus for fun because it's beautiful. I mean, look at the work that people like Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton did with their work in astronomy. Newton wanted to understand gravity. Why calculus? Not because of getting a job, but because it's beautiful and it will help you to think better. That's why we're doing what we're doing. So join us on this quest. 1 billion students taking calculus all around the world, enjoying the beauty of mathematics, not bound by any state standards or any country standards, but because they want to be like Isaac Newton or be like Leonard Euler and just flourish at another level. That's what we're up to. So by God's grace, stay tuned. We're going to be distributing more books like this. You can buy these on Amazon called Understanding Mathematics from Counting to Calculus, but that will get you what you need here. And then we have connections with universities that we want to connect you with to get you through more math. Let's master more mathematics. Have a blessed day.